Welcome back. It's now time for the business day. Cinema operators Palace Amusement says it made a lower profit of $71.95 million for its financial year ended June 2024. In the year ended June 2023, the company brought in $228.14 million after tax. This was linked to higher administrative expenses, finance costs and taxation. That's the performance for this year. Palace revenues were also lower at $1.39 billion, a 7.8% decline to the $1.52 billion made in the similar period last year. The performance was slowed by the extended Hollywood writers and actors strike that resulted in the delayed releases of some blockbuster films in the fourth quarter. The company says with Hollywood back to work, it expects the rescheduling and release of some previously delayed pictures to boost revenues and profitability in its first quarter. Private sector interests say it will be in dialogue with the Bank of Jamaica BOJ on ways it thinks could be improved. On ways it thinks the economy and business could be improved. In an interview with our news center, President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica PSOJ, Metri Siaga, says his organization is currently consulting with members.
We're in the process of working on a document to present to the BOJ. So I don't want to preempt that document, but there are a few things that we can suggest and intend to so do. We just want to do some testing of our theories a little bit more. So within the next couple of weeks, you will hear from us as to what we are recommending to the BOJ and how we feel that they can help to alleviate some of the issues that the businesses and the people of Jamaica are going through.
Last week, the PSOJ said while the BOJ's decision to lower the policy interest rate was a step in the right direction, the 25 basis points was not enough. It's hoping for much more reprieve in future monetary policy actions. The next announcement will be made by the BOJ on September 30. Meanwhile, as Jamaica and other economies around the world look to decrease policy interest rates, Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, Kristalina Georgieva, says the approach must be cautious.
Bring inflation down, keep your fiscal house in order, and continue to focus on jobs and growth for the Jamaican people.
Last Wednesday's rate cut announcement by Jamaica's central bank signaled the end of COVID-19 pandemic-linked rate hikes forced by higher inflation. It was the first cut in the policy interest rate since August 2019, when it was lowered to 0.5%. The decision comes after 10 rate hikes by the central bank since October 2021, which brought the local policy interest rate to 7%. And to the markets now, the Jamaican dollar improved in value by 46 cents compared to the U.S. currency at the end of trading Thursday. This is after a new record for the average selling rate of $158.75 to $1. That's yesterday. Now, after the BOJ pumped $40 million into the market through a flash sale, the greenback is now going for $158.29. The Canadian is being sold for $118.67, $207.31 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for $178.96. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 2,365 points today, while the junior market index went up by 5 points. Among the 53 winners were Main Event Entertainment Group, Salada Foods Jamaica, Innovative Energies Group, Blue Power Group, and Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution. The 43 losers were led by KLE Group, Cargo Handlers, Guardian Holdings, CAC 2000, and Caribbean Cream. 22 stocks traded firm. And that's the business day. Please stay with us. Regional and international news, that's after the break.